guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today I will be sharing with you my skincare routine. So as you can see, I have a full face of makeup on right now. I actually just finished filming a couple videos for you guys, but now I just thought that I have to take it off anyways. Why not share with you the new products that I have discovered and have been absolutely loving. I think it's important to know before every skincare routine that what type of skin does the person have. So I do have normal skin that is sensitive. So the products that I will be using today actually target those two specific things. It's really important to know your skin type because a couple years ago I actually thought I had oily skin because I would get a little oily around my T-zone area until I did see a skincare specialist and they told me that I have normal skin. Even when you do have normal skin, it is normal to get a little bit of oil. You can only really label your skin as oily if you have excess oil all throughout the day. For example, another thing that is normal is waking up with oilier skin. I remember telling her, but especially when I wake up in the morning, my skin is kind of oily, and she told me how that is normal. So what happened after that is I actually changed up my routine and started using products that targeted normal skin, and I got a lot less breakouts than I was getting. So anyway, just to explain to you guys how it's really important to know your real skin type and to use products that target your skin type. I also have sensitive skin, so this could actually be for everyone. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, you can still benefit from these products. But if you do have sensitive skin, just know that I am someone that when I test a product on my skin, majority of the times the next morning I will wake up with pimples, and with these products that doesn't happen. I have been using most of them for honestly years and absolutely swear by them, and I have found some newer products that work for me and that I'm so excited to share with you. Okay, this intro is too long. Let's just go ahead and get started, but before, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you are notified every time I upload. I do upload twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. Let's just go ahead and get started with my skincare routine for normal and sensitive skin. Alrighty, so I brought you in closer. Here I have my little bin of skincare products. Let's just go ahead and get this hair out of the way. That skincare specialist I did speak to you guys about had also told me that when you take off your makeup, you shouldn't be using more than one product. Honestly, for me, that doesn't work. I even shared with you guys in my last video how I normally would always first go in with a makeup remover wipe, and then I would go in with this Micellar water. So I did change that to only use one product, and now what I found is this little towel right here, which is actually makeup removing. You guys, this works wonders. This takes off all your makeup like I'm about to show you, and there's no product. It is just a towel that I wet with warm water. So first things first, of course, let's go ahead and take off the lashes. I can never get over the difference of like lashes, no lashes. Isn't that crazy? So the first thing I'll go in with is this towel. I did get this from Winners. Trust me, this is really worth it. It's not even expensive. It's just great because you're not putting any, products, and it really gets the job done. Alright, now that that's done, I will go in with this Garnier Micellar water. It will take off waterproof mascara. It'll take off the toughest liquid lipstick. Name it, this thing is just magic. So what I'll do is just go in with a bit around my eyes and just get whatever I did miss with that towel. And honestly, I'll even show you, I won't have missed much. Of course, the eyes is always a little harder to get all the eyeliner, mascara, and eyelash glue out. Now that's the eyes done, and my favorite cleanser to use, and this I have been using for years. I just didn't show you guys this product in my last video because I was out of it, and so in the meantime I was using something else, but it is this Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Now, I don't have, you know, lots of acne. I just mostly have breakouts on the side of my face, and I absolutely love this and notice the difference when I'm not using it. So that's why when I did run out of it, I had to absolutely go ahead and buy another one because of how much I do love this. It does have 1.5% of salicylic acid, which is just great for breakouts, and not only will it help make the ones you currently have go away, but it'll also help prevent future ones from coming out. I won't put much, only about this much. I don't know if you can tell, but I'll just go ahead and wash my face with this and I'll be right back. All right, I am back, all nice and clean. I just wanted to mention, because when I was washing my face, I realized of certain things that I do when using this product. First of all, no matter what cleanser you are using, make sure to use warm water because we will be going in with a mask shortly. So using warm water will only help open up the pores and, you know, prep it for your mask. Also, I do go in with circular motions when washing my face, and I'm very gentle. Your skin on your face is actually the most delicate from your whole body, so you really want to go nice and gentle and delicate and go in very soft motions, not to aggravate it or, you know, be too rough with it because it is so sensitive. Of course, the next thing we need to go in with is a exfoliator. Now, I do only use this product 2 times a week, max 3, but I would say normally 2. And my favorite one to use, once again, this I have been using for years, and it is the Murad Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish. I have already spoken to you guys of this product here on my channel because it is just a staple, and I honestly don't see myself changing exfoliator. I do have sensitive skin, and all the other exfoliators that I have tried just feel like I am rubbing sand against my face. Even if they say that they are gentle, the beads are just too strong. I don't know. This one is just amazing. When you do put warm water with it, it becomes very foamy, and you still have, you know, those exfoliating beads, but they are just so soft, and it really just doesn't feel like I am, you know, rubbing sand on my skin. Once again, following those same steps of using warm water and circular motions very gently. I will spend more time around my T-zone because that's where I do feel the most pores than, for example, the side of my cheek. But yeah, now I'll just go ahead and do this and be right back. All right, we are back, and now it is time for a mask. The first thing I always do when applying a mask is I always put this headband on to get all my hair out of the way. First things first, lip balm. My favorite one is from Burt's Bees. I mentioned to you guys in my other skincare video that I was on the hunt for a mask because all the ones that I have tried always break me out. Whether it's a charcoal mask, a clay mask, name it, a gel mask, I have tried them all, a peel mask, they all break me out. I wake up the next morning with breakouts, and I do have some acne scars, not too many, but a couple that I really want to get rid of. So I heard that vitamin C is actually very good for that and just brightening the skin, and it just has so many benefits for your skin. And the one that I found that has vitamin C and that is liked by so many people is this one from Tatcha. So I can't sit here and completely recommend this product to you guys because I have only tried it out twice. Today will be my 3rd time, so I am still trying it out. I can't give you my review, but I still wanted to throw it in today's video since I am trying it out at the moment. So when it does come to masks, I haven't found one that I'm super obsessed with. Let me know down in the comments below which mask is your favorite. Once again, I do have sensitive skin, so one that won't break me out. What I look for in a mask is obviously to help clear out my pores, get rid of the scarring that I do have, you know, help the breakouts do go away. The mask smells so good. It's a very light smell. It's nothing too strong. I also love that it came with this really cute gold spatula to put it on. I do have this right here that I got from Amazon to help put on masks, but I will be using this cute little gold one. So I'll just spread this on equally, not too thin, not too thick either. And then I'll just leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and take it off, and I'll be right back to you guys. Alrighty. So to take off this mask, I did use cold water. You want to make sure to do that because at the beginning we used hot water to open up the pores, and now we want to close the pores. Since we will be going on with on top of it with some products, you don't want them to sink into your pores. So the toner will help do that, but also just using cold water. And also when you dry your face, you want to pat it and not rub it for the same reason of when you want to, you know, exfoliate your face or cleanse it. You want to go nice and gentle just for the same reason, because your skin is sensitive. So the next thing, of course, that we will go in with is toner. And in the last video, I told you guys how much I do love this Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. I still absolutely love this, and I will be repurchasing another one when this one does finish, because this is great for breakouts. And this I have been using for so long now, but I just realized how, once again, I do have normal skin, and this is more for oily skin people. And as much as this is great for my breakouts, the areas where I break out are on the side of my face. Everywhere else, I don't. So I wanted more of a hydrating toner, and that's where I got this one. I've been testing it out and I absolutely love it, and it has not broken me out, because that's what I always look for in every skincare product if it breaks me out. It is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. So what I do is I multi-tone my skin. I'll put this in the areas where I do get breakouts, and then I'll go ahead and use this product everywhere else. So I'll just take this little cotton puff here, and first I'll go in with that Ole Henriksen toner. And the reason why I go in with this one first is because you really want this to dry before you go on with other products. So I'll just go on the side of my face where I normally do get those breakouts. And I'll just put it on spots where I do have breakouts. So I actually have one here in my eyebrow for some reason. So I'll just put a bit there. And now we'll go ahead and take another puff and we'll put on that fresh toner. You really don't need to put much. And now we'll just go ahead and put this everywhere else. Now normally someone would go in with serum and then eye cream, and those are actually two products that I took out of my skincare routine, and that is because I just found that I had too many steps. It was just too much, and I did find that those two things didn't really do anything for me. And why put extra products on your skin if they're just not helping you out? So that's why I actually eliminated those two things from my routine. So after my toner, like I said, I will make sure that they really do dry, and then I'll go ahead and use my moisturizer right away. The reason why you want that toner to really dry is because it really needs the time to sink into your skin, and or else it'll just mix in with the toner and won't give you the effect that you're looking for. So the moisturizer that I have been recently using and has just become my #1 favorite that I have used in my life out of all of the ones that I have tried, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. They actually both are from the same collection. I didn't do it on purpose. It's just I individually love both of them. This face cream, you guys, is absolutely amazing. I have tried gel texture face creams. I've tried more water face creams. I've tried them all, and honestly, for my normal sensitive skin, this so far has been my favorite. This is more of a thicker cream, but not the type of thick cream that someone with very dry skin would use. It's still lightweight, but thick enough to just make you feel nice and moisturized, and I don't know how to explain it. It is just amazing. You honestly don't need much of this. I don't know if you can see. This is all I will go in with. First, I like to massage it into my fingers, and then I'll go in circular motions very gently. And I'll even put this under my eyes and use this as a face cream. When you do apply products on your face, you always want to push going upwards, never downwards, just because it'll help, you know, for the future to prevent wrinkles. This smells so clean and fresh. It's nothing that's too crazy. It's very light scented. of rose, of course, but wow, it's just amazing, you guys. Let's go ahead and put a bit more lip balm on. And now the last product I did want to mention to you guys is actually this Mario Badescu drying lotion. I believe I mentioned this also in my last skincare routine because this is also a staple that I have been using for forever now. This for my breakouts is absolutely amazing. Now what is important, I must say, is that you need to catch them right away. If you've had a breakout and it's been there for a week, it won't do much, but if you catch it like the day or the second day that it comes out and you put this on at night, the next morning it will have gone down by, I'm telling you, half the size. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave all the names of each product down in the description box so you can go ahead and check it out. Like I said, all of them except for the cleansing water, they are all from Sephora and they are all clean products that have clean ingredients, which is absolutely amazing for your skin. Like I mentioned, the most sensitive skin of your entire body is on your face, so you really want to protect it and not put a bunch of toxins and everything. That's it for today. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!